Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. We are within hours of flying from Detroit to Orlando to start our cruises. Are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
But before that, we got some important information to tell you about your last couple days on the cruise. Stay tuned. So, on your last day of cruise, or even on the last day of debarkation, I think there's some important steps what you need to take. One is, what time is your debarkation? They put you in category groups 1 through 20, and they give you a certain time. Please, 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 if you're number 20, don't come down to the lobby until your number's called, because it jams up the elevators and that lobby area. So that's one thing I think you should know. What time is your debarkation? What do you think?
Yeah, but most cruise lines will work with you if you have an early flight.
Oh, yeah.
And you talk to somebody. If you have an early flight that's before you can get off the ship, as long as the ship's in port and everything's set and the ramps are ready, they'll let you off.
Yes.
You just have to talk to somebody. You can't just wait to the last minute to mention that to someone.
Okay. Another one you should do on your last day of cruise, which we're talking maybe a day at sea not coming into port, is if you have any issue with your bill, go to guest services. Get that taken care of.
Yeah, again, don't wait till the last minute.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Pay off everything, because usually the night before they'll slide that bill under your door.
Right.
Unless they're running behind. Sometimes we've got it just a couple times the morning of.
Right.
But it should be, for the most part, the day before.
Yeah, and because they, might have something on your bill, which happened to us, that we got charged for something and it wasn't there. So don't wait till the last minute. Another thing is, make sure your tab is clean at the casino. You might want something you don't know. You might have some hidden money at the casino. Right, Tanya?
Right.
You won last time. So that's another one. Another one, which we like doing, is the art gallery. Make sure everything's all good with the art gallery. Make sure your orders and what you want.
Yeah, if you've bid on an auction at the art gallery, make sure that's all complete and finished, so you get your art on time.
Right. The right address, the right paintings, the whole 9 yards. Make sure that's taken care of. Boom. Another thing is, before you leave your cabin, look around in your cabin.
Check your safe.
Yes.
And your fridge.
There you go. Check your safe.
And your balconies if you're on a balcony.
And check your balcony.
People leave things hanging out there.
And anything else?
Under the bed.
Under the bed.
Drawers.
So, the drawers. So we got safe,
plugs.
balcony.
People have left plugs in the rooms.
Check your plugs. Anything else?
You don't.
Charlie. So,
we added Charlie to the mix here because he's being bad on the floor, acting up, because he has to be in our videos all the time.
Yeah.
So here's Charlie. This is Sidekick Charlie.
So,
if you haven't met him yet.
After you check your cabin, look for Charlie.
No,
don't look for
Charlie.
Charlie.
He's not going on the cruise.
No.
He's staying with Nana.
Yeah. Okay, so we got our room taken care of. We got...
Can I suggest one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Take care of the people that have helped you. Your stewards.
Absolutely.
Dining staff, if you've been there every night and if they've been... they're working hard, and even if they've made some mistakes, you got to realize they have a ton of rooms. You're not the only people on the cruise.
Right.
For the most part, leave them something.
Yes, you do pay gratuity ahead of time.
I
But that's for everyone on the
don't feel
ship.
that it goes to your
Right.
specific. I think it's, you don't know that they're seeing it. It's more personable just to hand them
Yes.
something direct.
And give what you can.
Yeah.
Give what you can.
Most of the time, your
Right.
stewards and people you run into or in your dining hall and stuff, they really get to know you and they
Yeah.
go out of their way for you.
They sure do. They sure do.
So,
That's a good one. Take care of the people who take care of you. Mm-hmm. Boom. Another one, I think, is check your flight information.
yeah.
And
sure.
most of the time, in the digital age,
Yeah, because you might be gone that week on your trip and they might have changed your flight. And you might arrive or try to get off the boat early and arrive and they might have pushed your flight back.
yeah.
Or something
So
like that.
check your flight information. Make sure you got your flight information. Make sure it's on time, like Tanya said. Make sure you do have a flight wherever you're going.
Wasn't canceled on you.
Yeah. Next, I think the next one, which goes in flight, is your transportation to the airport. If you're taking the bus from the cruise line, or if you're taking a rideshare program,
Or Lyft or Uber.
Lyft or Uber, taxi, private limousine, whoever, right? Yep.
You're going to get him going.
Yes, I am. So these are some important steps you should look into or follow so you're not panicking and having that stress filling on you on the last day. So
It happens, everybody. It's normal. It's all kind of the stress. It's a little different than the stress. Getting on the boat's stressful too because
Right.
it looks all crowded and you're trying to get through lines.
Well,
and
it goes
you're trying
pretty
to
quick.
make sure you know where to go. You don't want to miss things or miss information. And then once everything's done, you're good. But same thing getting off. You'll get off the ship. Don't worry.
don't panic.
You cruised with these people all week, smiling and laughing.
Right.
Don't get in a fight on the last day getting
Right.
off the ship.
I've got an important one.
What?
Make sure you set your luggage out at the night before with your luggage tag on.
Unless you're going to carry it down yourself, but good luck getting on the elevators with many suitcases.
I suggest, oh, sorry, I thought my mic was off. I suggest to make life easier, let the crew take your luggage. On your luggage tag will say 1 through 20, whatever. That's where the spot is when you go out before you hit customs, where your luggage is.
In the
Take an
port.
extra 5 to 10 minutes to find your luggage, but it saves a lot of...
And we prefer to find, what do they call them?
Oh, a porter.
A porter.
Yeah.
He'll come around with the cart, he'll load everything on, and he pushes it for you.
Right.
Unless you just have a carry-on. Some people literally have seen
Yeah.
them cruise with just a carry-on or one luggage.
Yeah, but when you come
when
from...
you come with family and you have
Yeah.
a lot like we do,
Right.
it's with camera equipment and everything else.
And you come with ducks,
Yeah.
you know. You might have
Charlie
a,
is getting excited.
you are getting excited, but I think those are the important steps to take on your last day or
And grab a
debarkation.
bite. They will have
There you go.
food
There you go.
on the ship. They'll have, little morning breakfast stuff.
Yeah,
if
the
you
buffet.
get there soon enough.
The buffet should be
Yeah,
open.
if you get there soon enough, get some breakfast because
Yeah.
if you got a long flight home, long ride, or just grab a little something because
You're right.
my suggestion.
You're right. If you got a later flight, grab a meal because food at the airport's expensive.
And it's included. So
Yeah, you paid for it. Might as well get the last one in while you can. All right, so this is going to be a quick video. Don't get discouraged. We're going to have tons of video coming. It might be 1 or 2 in the next couple of days, then a whole lot of it, right?
yeah. Now from our cruises from Disney Fantasy, which is October 21st through something.
27th,
then
I believe.
End of October through November 5th will be on Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas.
Yeah.
So if you are on either of those ships, of course look for our ducks that I
Right.
hide on the ships. But watch for those videos for
Mm-hmm.
either one of those to post sometime after November 7th when I can get home and get them all edited.
Yeah.
So even like Disney Fantasy, even though that's our first cruise, we are going back to back right on to another cruise. So I will not be editing videos.
Side by side.
Side by side cruise, whatever
Yes.
it is. we will not be editing those videos until we return from both trips.
Right.
And then we will begin editing them, and you will see those videos coming out. If you are on either of those trips, look for yourself, because we get a lot of comments from our subscribers and viewers. They're so excited because they find themselves in one of the videos.
Absolutely.
And that makes our day. So. And look for those ducks, and happy cruising.
And there's any other information about debarkation or the last day on the cruise, what we forgot, put it down in the comments section.
Yeah, because like I said, we haven't been on a Disney cruise yet. We're going on one.
Right.
And same with Royal Caribbean. So we don't know their debarkation process yet. If you've been on one of those, comment below for our viewers that maybe need to know on those ships. We can put one of those out later once we've experienced it.
And since you came this far, you watched the video, subscribe.
Yeah, if you enjoy our content, give us a subscribe.
Hit
If
the
you
like
really
button.
like certain videos, hit that thumbs up and the little bell if you want to be,
notified.
They'll notify you when a new video is posted.
Yep.
And we greatly appreciate our viewers and subscribers, every one of you.
Yep.
It's almost like some of them have become almost like family.
Yeah,
and,
absolutely.
And as always, we don't get to see your faces, but we love to communicate with you. And if you see us on a
say
cruise,
hi.
Any cruise, we can't say it enough. Come up, say hi to us.
Better yet.
Don't feel like you're imposing. You're not.
Better
we
yet.
would love to talk to you and get to know you.
If you see us on a cruise and we don't know you, don't even say hi. Just go, hey, Tanya.
Or you know what? You can always ask me if I have a duck. If I don't carry on me and you haven't found one and you really want one of our ducks, just ask. I'll gladly run to the room and get you one.
She will.
I have plenty.
Okay.
And I would love to give you guys one.
Absolutely. All right, so on that note, we'll see you in a couple weeks. Love you all. Stay tuned to our channel, and we're going to get some. I think, before we end this, I believe these two cruises up and coming, we have some phenomenal excursions. I really do.
Yep.
I really do. So
yeah, I think
we got
I
some
can
land.
predict these are going to be some good videos.
Yeah.
So.
We got some land and sea excursions what we're going to do. So.
And one more thing, want to wish you all a happy Halloween. Don't eat too much candy. This will be the first year we didn't pass out candy.
Yeah.
But I'm sure we'll be eating it on the ship.
That's it. All right, on that note, we'll see you on the cruising side.
Take care, all.
Love ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.